Hi everyone, welcome to Google Sheet tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the SUMIF function in Google Sheets to sum values based on a condition. This function is useful for everything from managing budgets, to tracking sales, or analyzing data with specific criteria. Let's dive in. To demonstrate the SUMIF function, we'll use a simple dataset of product sales. In this example, we have a list of products, their quantities, and their total sales. Our goal is to sum the total sales for a specific product. This is something you can use in inventory tracking, sales reports, or even budgeting. The SUMIF function is very handy in situations where you need to calculate totals based on specific conditions. For example, in sales reporting, you can sum sales for a particular product or region. If you're managing a budget, you can use SUMIF to track expenses by category, like summing all expenses under travel or marketing. It's also helpful for inventory management, where you might want to sum quantities of a specific item to see how much stock you have left. Let's get into the formula. Click on the cell where you want the result. In our template, let us go to cell G3, and type equals SUMIF. Inside the parentheses, the first argument is the range you want to apply the condition to. In our case, this is the product column. The second argument is the condition itself, which is the product name, for example, apples. The third argument is the range of values you want to sum, which in this case is the sales column. Press enter, and Google Sheets will return the total sales for apples. Now, let us copy the formula to other products. Then press enter. Remember, SUMIF only allows one condition. If you need to sum values based on multiple conditions, you'll use SUMIFs, which we'll cover in another video. And that's how you use the SUMIF function in Google Sheets. Whether you're working with sales data, managing your budget, or tracking inventory, SUMIF can save you a lot of time and effort. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more Google Sheets tips, and leave a comment with any questions or requests for future videos. Thanks for watching.